Washington is now debating whether the H-1B itself should be dramatically redesigned or not. Well, for Indian IT professionals, the H-1B visa has been one of the biggest bridges to an American career. But that bridge, it could face serious political pressure. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the material provided, lawmakers in Congress have bagged multiple proposals that would fundamentally change the H-1B system. And the numbers being discussed significant. One proposal would introduce a $200,000 minimum salary threshold. Another would limit the share of non-immigrant workers within a company to 5%. There are also proposals to reduce the maximum H-1B stay from 6 months to 2 years, eliminate STEM OPT, and even prevent the H-1B workers from adjusting their status to permanent residency. These are not any minor administrative changes. If such proposals were enacted, they could completely change the economics of hiring foreign technology workers. The American White Collar Workers Jobs Act, basically as described in the source material, would move away from the traditional H-1B lottery and towards a wage-based system. That would mean that salary level could become far more important in determining who gets selected. The bill also proposes limiting the percentage of non-immigrant visa holders within a company's workplace and changing the existing dual intent structure that allows many H-1B workers to pursue permanent residency while remaining in the US. In fact, another proposal, the End H-1B Visa Abuse Act, it would reportedly seek a 3-year freeze on new H-1B insurances and later reduce the annual cap from 85,000 to 25,000 visa. Impose the $200,000 salary floor, restrict the third-party staffing arrangements, and eliminate the STEM OPT extension. Now, why does this matter so much for Indians? Because the Indian IT services industry has historically relied heavily on H-1B program to place specialized workers with the American clients. In fact, according to the sources, approval for 6 major Indian IT companies, TCS, Infosys, Cognizant, HCL Tech, Wipro and Tech Mahindra, they have fallen by roughly 40% year over year, from more than 18,400 to about 11,000 approvals. At the same time, the proposal described they target third-party replacement and they could make traditional on-site consultant arrangements much more difficult. And yes, there is another provision that could be particularly damaging: the proposed layoff clause. Under the rules described in the source material, companies that have conducted layoffs within the previous 12 months could be restricted from sponsoring new H-1B workers on extending existing visas. Think about the timing. American technology companies are already reconstructing engineering team and cutting the cost while increasing investment in AI. Now, add a stricter immigration system to that equation. For Indians already living in the US, the most worrying issue is the green card connection. Indians already face extremely long employment-based green card queues because of country-based limit. The H-1B system's dual intent structure provides an important bridge while workers wait. So if legislation were to prevent the H-1B holders from adjusting status to permanent residency, that bridge could become much more weaker. And at the same time, ending the 36-month STEM OPT extension would affect the pipeline of international students moving from F1 status into the American workforce. But wait, here's a critical distinction. A bill being introduced is not the same as a law being passed. Congress must still debate and pass the legislation, and significant opposition could come from American companies, universities, tech groups and other industries that rely on skilled foreign workers. So, don't confuse a proposal with an immediate change in your visa status. Because if you are an H-1B worker, this is still a signal. Understand your employer's immigration strategy. Strengthen your professional profile. Consider alternative immigration pathway where it is appropriate. And if you are eligible for the green card process, do not assume that today's rule will remain unchanged forever, because immigration policy is becoming part of a career plan. And yes, if the H-1B route is becoming more uncertain, there is another group that is feeling the pressure even earlier. That group is international students who are still trying to enter the American system.